Hello guys. Actually today I'm very happy because I got my Australian visa. It's like a relaxation for you, getting an heaven for you. Actually now I'm so happy that I can express myself. Okay, anyway, let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Mia. I live in Dhaka, Bangladesh. I have completed my education from India, that is Siliguri, Darjeeling. You are not very nice place, that is. And then I have come over here and I got to know that actually I needed an agency where I can go abroad. Then from my uncle I came to know about this service. Then I went through emails, I went through many other programs, orientations. Then I went to many other things and found out that HBT service ranking is actually best. Then I thought, okay, let me go and try and do IELTS over here. Then okay, I have done my IELTS over here. I didn't have so much time, but within 20-21 days I have done actually a lot of good result, that is 6.5. You can understand how tough it is to do IELTS. I could do because I got the best teachers, I can say. They helped me a lot each and every time, each and every second. For them I could actually get 6.5. Then I came and met Rabi Bhaiya. Then he gave me actually a lot of list where I can apply. But after that I saw that the subject which I chose is Macquarie. Macquarie University have the best subjects. So Rabi Bhaiya also recommended me that. And then okay, I have tried from my offer letter, I have got my offer letter, then I have applied my visa processing. It was actually the tension period. So but Rabi Bhaiya and Eva gave me a lot of confidence that no problem, you will get your visa. Just a little bit of faith on us. And actually yeah, I have faith on us, but the tension things, okay, they helped me a lot. And now see, I've got my visa today and I'm very happy about it. I really thank Rabi Bhaiya and Eva and all the staffs over here. And then see, if you want to come, actually you can come. I can give a 100% guarantee you get your visa. Like see how happy I am. I think so you'll be the next happiest person when you